or less. Very happy to be here. Welcome to this moment, my beautiful friends, beautiful holy divine beings of love, light and joy. So in this video I want to share how, as I've practiced and attuned myself to having more joy and happiness in my life, as I've chosen to have the best day ever every single day, no matter what happens, and not to do any whatsoever bypassing, but to feel my feelings and then choose joy, happiness, and to have the best day ever and make the most of everything, the most of everyone and the most of every place, the most of every circumstance, and choose joy and to extract joy. The more I've raised my frequency and vibration to closer to happiness and joy and these high feelings and high thoughts, the more other things that are challenges that would typically get me down, they're getting me down less, or at least maybe for less often, or a combination of both. So this has been like startlingly revolutionary. It's absolutely amazing. It's phenomenal. I'm just so happy with it, and I recommend everyone to do the exact same thing. But it's all about filling our own cup, and when we fill our cup, then, like I said, things that may get you down will get you down less compared to had you not filled your cup as much, or compared to someone else whose cup is less filled. So the more you look after yourself and practice what you could call self-care and self-love and self-nourishment and feeding yourself your needs and your wishes, your heart's desires and your needs, when you fulfill and complete these within yourself, your cup is fuller, and then you're less depleted and more energetic. Yeah, you're more well, and then you don't have to snap and fight and react terribly to things that don't go your way, such as other people or life's events. So it's all about self-care and self-love, my friends. Self-care is just a stereotypical word, but self-care, like feed yourself, love yourself, nourish yourself, do what makes you happy. Follow your bliss, follow your joy. I like the phrase right now, follow your joy, it's resonating. But I like any of them. Follow your highest excitement with integrity, all of this with integrity. Keep doing what you like and enjoy, what feeds you, what nourishes you. Be it like fun, playful, silly, learning something awesome like wisdom, watching one of these videos, going out in the sun, having a bath, running, sewing, doing a hobby, dancing, meeting your friends, visiting your family, creating a video, writing a book, swimming, the list could go on and on, talking to a friend, chasing love, like with a person who you fancy, just don't let go of fear and follow your bliss, follow your joy with integrity, and then when someone else says something to you in traffic or skips you in the queue, you're not going to bite their head off, because you're more happy, higher frequency. So yeah, that's what I want to say in this video. So it's super important. So the bottom line is, when someone else does something that's not nice, in our opinion, typically stereotypical standards, okay, we don't like it, just remember, they haven't filled their cup enough. They may be lacking in happiness and joy and meeting their needs in life and their wishes. They don't know about what they need and wish to fulfill them in the first place, or else they're struggling, okay? So we don't have to hurt them even more. Compassion is the one word. If I could remember one word from my life in terms of people relationships, I'd remember the word compassion. Compassion will heal so much. So when people can't be the way we want, just remember that they're not able to in that moment. They can't. They're not able. They don't have access to the goodness, the awesomeness, the joy, the love. It's okay. We don't always, and others don't always. So let's have compassion and remember that they just don't have it to give right now. Maybe they will another time. So go easy on them. So let's go easy on each other and be kind and unconditionally loving and forgiving and understanding, including on ourselves. And this is just the best message ever, the most beautiful message, the most beautiful topic, the most beautiful day, best day ever. Making the most of everything. We can choose this every single day. Have the best day ever every single day. No spiritual bypassing, but we can choose higher thoughts instead of lower thoughts. Feel all of our feelings and celebrate life, enjoy every single day. Love ourselves, look after ourselves, rest enough, sleep enough, eat the foods that are light and not heavy on us, be it raw food or light soups, or even just in moderation if it's heavier, cooked or raw. I've just eaten fruits today and some rice milk and some chocolate powder. That's all I've had, just salt, just fruits. I've only eaten dates today and half a melon, and I had 3 chocolatey type of date and rice milk and a bit of chocolate powder sort of drinks. Like this, I'll show you now. So I better go, my friends. Lots of love. Thanks for watching. I'm trying to keep the video short. Please give this video a share. I'd love you to share the message on to others to help. We can choose how we want to be in relation to anything. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Have the best day ever as always. Bye bye. Beautiful day. Special, precious, unique day every single day. Everybody's special. You're beautiful. We all are. Best day ever.